Yo, what's up? It's Calvin. So, July 10th, someone solo mined Bitcoin block number 957382 using less than 1 terahash of power. One person, 3.1382 Bitcoin, about $200,000, just like that. And today, I just got my hands on the Bitaxe Gamma 601 Max 1.9 terahash, fresh from the manufacturer. This is the upgraded sibling of that exact winning machine. Almost double the hash rate, so almost double the odds of winning too. So what makes it special? Right now, it's the only miner in the whole Bitaxe lineup with a pure copper heatsink. So today, quick sneak peek. Design, size, real power draw, temps, noise. Let's get into it. First thing you'll notice, besides the black fan, there's that pure copper heatsink, massively boosting cooling. Size-wise, next to the Bitaxe Gamma 601 1.2 terahash, this one's actually a little shorter, higher hash rate than the 1.2 terahash, but smaller and more compact. Honestly, that caught me off guard. Officially rated at 30 watts. Meters showing 40.4. That's because I bumped up the frequency and core voltage to hit that 1.9 terahash mark. Want it lower? Just set both back to default. We'll break down what that means in the full unboxing video. Shot this with a thermal camera too. Whole units running 21 to 71 degrees Celsius. But the chip itself? Only 51.9, compared to around 65 on most other models. That copper heatsink's earning its keep. Noise-wise, 48 decibels. Way quieter than the 60 to 70 you get on most other models. And next to a portable charger? Yeah, this thing's actually smaller. Overall, solid build, honest specs, seriously small footprint. I'm impressed.
Nice.
What do you guys think? Drop it in the comments. Oh, and before I forget, use code CALVIN10OFF for 10% off as a new customer, and we'll bump you up to premium for free, no extra charge. That's hash rate tuning plus pool and wallet setup done for you, a $30 US value. You'll also get a 2% cash rebate after your order. Head over to my website for all the details. Purchase links up on my page too, or grab it from the description box and pinned comment below. Just enter CALVIN10OFF at checkout. Go grab it. More on this little monster is coming soon. Make sure you're subscribed so you catch it.